Hey friends, welcome back to Science Technology. I'm Pavan. I would like to welcome you to a new video on our channel. Our today's video is gonna be on ESP32. Right, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded videos. You see, I was working on a new project and a new module, and I'm gonna complete it soon and show it to you. Right, now let's continue with our today's video. Today we are going to discuss and build a new project on ESP32 internal sensor, which means we are not going to need any external modules. It's an inbuilt internal temperature sensor. This temperature sensor will measure the temperature of the core and the internal parts of the ESP32, not external parts. It's actually quite useful. When we make advanced projects using the ESP32 board, we are going to need the temperature of the internal modules of the ESP32 or the core, as sometimes it may get overheated, which can cause problems. It has to be maintained, so this is useful. Now let's start. It's programming time. As I said, there are no external modules used here, so there is no wiring. We are only going to need the ESP32 board. We are going to connect it to the system when we are done with the programming. Now this is the program. I have already written it. I'll just explain it to you. This part of the program, it is called the style guard. You see, it helps the C++ code style to interface with the C code. These functions which are mentioned here are gonna be interfaced by C instead of C++. Then comes the void setup. Right. In the void setup, first we are gonna name the serial begin as 115200. This is the baud rate of what we are gonna use. You see, the temperature which we send is gonna be shown on the serial monitor. Right. Then comes the void loop. First, we are gonna print temperature is what. Now, then it's gonna print this function which I have used here. It's gonna check the temperature of the core by the function. It's actually inbuilt. Then it's gonna print F, which actually means Fahrenheit. It's gonna first show that Fahrenheit temperature. Then it's gonna print just some lines. Then now we have our data in Fahrenheit scale, but we can convert it into Celsius scale, which is more easier. So the raw temperature of Fahrenheit is converted to Celsius degrees over here. First, the temperature sent from the board in Fahrenheit scale is subtracted with 32 and then divided by 1.8. This is the data, or this is the value of the degree Celsius. And then we are going to mention C, which means degree Celsius. And as you know, the board runs very fast. I have told it many times. You see, so we are going to need a delay of 1000, which is 1 second. So every second it's going to send new temperature. If the temperature of the board is stable, it's going to be the same temperature. And this was all about the code. Now let's upload it. Now I'm going to connect this ESP32 board to my system using an USB cable. Just connect it up and to the system. And it's done. Now let's upload it. Now to upload the code, first I'm going to choose the board. ESP32 and room DA board. And then comes the port. Now that it's connected, let's upload. It it takes some time to compile. I'll just fast forward this process. And now it's being uploaded. And done uploading. Now let's check our serial monitor. First open the serial monitor and click the EN button on your ESP32. As you can see, the temperature is shown here. The temperature is 128 degree Fahrenheit and 53.33 degree Celsius. Both the values are shown here. This is the temperature of the core of my ESP32. And that was it. Right friends, so that was all for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our videos and feel it informative, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.